Students, let us continue our topic. It is about grammar determiners. So today we will discuss use of some determiners. Some and any. So we have already read it that determiners, they are used the words before nouns, just before nouns. So use of some in affirmative sentences where we use some, it is a determiner. So where we use it in affirmative sentences. Do you know what is affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence actually means a sentence which gives us clear statement, which gives us statement very simple and the sentence very simple. That is affirmative sentence. So some, how we use it in affirmative sentences. There are some children outside. So some here, it is a determiner. Why? Because children, it is noun. So noun is, before noun we use this some. So in affirmative sentences, some is used. There are some children outside. Then again, some people. So people here are also noun and some is used. So in affirmative sentences, we use some. And in interrogative sentences also some. Aren't there some stamps in the drawer? Aren't there some stamps? So again here, stamps noun and then there is some. So didn't he give you some money? So again here, some and then money. Noun and it is again this determiner. So some we use in affirmative sentences, and you know affirmative sentences which shows clear statement, and then there are interrogative sentences. But here we should remember one thing, that when we say about interrogative sentences, there are two types of interrogative sentences. Remember this thing. One type is what type? What type sentences? What type interrogative sentences? And then there is yes or no type. So when there are what type sentences which begins with interrogative sentences which begins with what, where, when, which, who, whose, whom, when, how. And these what type sentences, when we interrogative sentences, when we ask anybody, what is your name? For example. So he should give us a detailed answer. My name is, or I am Falani. So here we have to give the detailed answer. And when we say yes or no type sentences, these begins with auxiliaries, helping verbs. For example, do you know English? And he can Anybody can answer it, yes or no. Are you feeling well? Yes or no. So इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस जो दो टाइप के होते हैं, एक व्हाट टाइप होता है और व्हाट टाइप में जो बिगिन होते हैं व्हाट, वेयर, विच, हु, हुज, हुम, तो इनको जब हमें आंसर देना होता है तो डिटेल्ड आंसर सेंटेंस में आंसर देना होता है। कभी ज्यादा आंसर देना पड़ता है सेंटेंस से अलावा। तो जब हम ऑक्सिलरीज की बात करते हैं यस और नो टाइप, तो जो ऑक्सिलरीज से शुरू होते हैं, ऑक्सिलरीज यू नो दैट दे आर actually when we say helping verbs, the helping verb is actually be, have, do, and then there are is, am, are, have, had, and then secondary auxiliaries are also, those are known as modals, जिनको हम कहते हैं shall, should, will, would, ये may, might, can, could। तो जब इनसे कोई क्वेश्चन होता है तो उसका हम जवाब जो देते हैं वो हम यस और नो में भी दे सकते हैं। तो मैं बात कर रहा था, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, दैट दिस सम इज यूज्ड इन affirmative sentences and as a determiner and also in interrogative sentences। And interrogative sentences, they are of two types, that is what type and then yes or no type। And then any is used in negative sentences। Negative sentences means when there we refuse something। For example, I say he is not my friend, this is negative। Yeah, I do not like your habits। तो यहां पर फिर नॉट का इस्तेमाल हो गया तो नेगेटिव में आ गया। सो एनी इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। फॉर एग्जांपल, आई डिडंट buy any bread। So here again you see bread is noun and any is determiner। And then he had not solved any question। He had not solved any question। So then there is question is also here noun and any। So this any is also used in interrogative sentences। For example, speaker expresses a negative answer। Have you any problem? Or there any stamps in the dryer? So interrogative, have you any problem? Problem यहाँ पर फिर noun है। Or there any stamps in the dryer? So this any is used in negative sentences and it is also used in interrogative sentences, but the speaker expresses negative answer and then expects negative answer। And then there is affirmative sentence, it is also used where negative is implied, used with the following words। इसमें prevent as verb जब हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, without as preposition इस्तेमाल करते हैं, hardly और scarcely हम adverb इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Example, we did the work without any difficulty। Without any difficulty। I have hardly any leisure nowadays। leisure कहते हैं spare time। Please try to prevent any loss of goods। तो यहां पर आप देखते हैं कि affirmative sentence है, लेकिन यहां पर आप देखते हैं कि prevent के साथ as verb जब हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं या विदाउट एज प्रीपोजिशन इस्तेमाल करते हैं या हार्डली स्केर्सली एज एडवर्ब इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो इसके बाद देयर इज अगेन वी यूज So this any is also used in sentences of no matter, which in any case at any rate or at any hour. For example, come any day you like, or you can come to me at any hour of the day. At any hour of the day. तो यहां पर नो मैटर एक्चुअली कहते नॉट एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, कोई मामला नहीं है. इन एनी केस, एट एनी रेट, एट एनी आवर, एट एनी डे you can come to me. So we use here again any, it is determiner, and then day, it is a noun, or you can say any, it is a determiner, and hour, it is also we can use it as a noun, and then we can use it in clause of conditions. In clause of conditions, I have already told you what is clause. Let me repeat again. Clause. When we say clause, here is an example. If he comes, I will help him. Just to see. If he comes, I will help him. Here you see, it is a subject and then it is predicate. It is subject and then it is predicate. You know that sentence we divide it into two parts, that is subject and predicate, subject and predicate. So, but when we say if he comes, here it is a condition. If his condition, in case his condition. Remember this thing. If he comes, मतलब है अगर वो आता तो फिर, यानी this, it is a clause and we say it is subordinate clause. Or we can say conditional clause. And it is also clause, but I will help him. You need not anything more. So we can say it is principal clause. But what is clause? Actually, clause is a sentence. This, I will help him. It is a sentence. Clause is a sentence which has its own subject and predicate. Clause is a sentence or part of a sentence. It is a part of sentence because it needs something more which can clear this meaning. If he comes, so it is also clause because it has subject and predicate. So we can say clause is a sentence or a part of sentence. It is a part of sentence, but it has its own subject and predicate. तो clause क्या होता है? Actually clause जो होता है ये किसी वक्त sentence होता है. जब sentence होता है तो हम कहेंगे it is a principal clause, और जब part of sentence होगा तो हम कहेंगे it is a subordinate clause or conditional clause. And then but both clauses, either it is principal clause or subordinate clause, they have their subject and predicate. So here in this rule he says in clause of conditions, clause of condition yahan par ye hai, we use id. For example, here is an example. You can come to me in case of any difficulty. You can come to me in case of any difficulty. So you can come to me in case. Here you see it is a conditional clause, in case of any difficulty. So any here also determiner, and then it is now. And again there is I shall help you. If you have any problem. I shall help you if you have any problem. यहां पर आप देखिए I shall help you, मैं आपकी मदद करूंगा. If you have any problem, here is also conditional clause. So any is used in, also we can use it in a conditional clause, and that is how we can use the use of the some determiners. Especially here we use it some determiner and any determiner, and how we can use it. That you know that some, it is used in affirmative sentences, and it is also used in interrogative sentence, and then any, it is used in negative sentences, it is used in interrogative sentences, and we can use it in any when there is a sentence of no matter, at any rate, in any case, or there is a conditional clauses, we can use any. And this is all. Thank you very much.